How to follow someone on Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily follow someone on Plex so that you can see their activity, recommendations and shared libraries. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your smartphone or your tablets and log in. Once you're logged into the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap the Discover button. Inside Discover, select People from the top. Now, go ahead and enter the name of the person you'd like to follow in the search bar. You can also type in a location or interest. From the search results, find the contact you want to follow and tap on their profile. Now, once you get to their profile, click on Follow from the top. You'll then be able to follow the contact. You can also add them as a friend by tapping the three dots right next to their name and then clicking on Add Friend. So that is how you can easily follow someone on Plex. Repeat this step to follow any other person. Simply find their contact and click Follow, and you'll be able to follow them right away. Now after following them, their activity will appear in your activity feeds. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.